Well, if you have finally decided that Tambor is the place to stay and live, you have several options for that too. Terra Mar Condos, with 72 apartments almost ready for moving in. Or over at Century 21 Tambor Hills, they're very friendly and they always have something to offer because they are the largest real estate company in Tambor. And if you're thinking of building, you could check out Master Plan. Optima Company could help you with the surveying work, engineering, and machinery.